At 30 kph, 5 degrees C air feels like -2 degrees C. Yet most riders spend hundreds on jackets, while ignoring the $150 aerodynamic accessory that actually solves frozen hands.
It isn't the cold that freezes you, it's convective heat loss. At 30 kph, the boundary layer of warm air on your skin is stripped away instantly. While merino wool is popular, 2026 synthetic meshes actually outperform it for high-intensity riding, because wet wool loses its insulation value 3 times faster than dry polyblends.
Physiologically, your body vasoconstricts blood flow to extremities to protect the core. Thick lobster gloves reduce dexterity and eventually soak through. The engineering solution is the neoprene barmit. By creating a pocket of still air, they maintain hand temperature 8 degrees Celsius higher than gloves alone, at a fraction of the cost.
For the bike, rubber compounds harden in the cold, reducing your friction coefficient by up to 20%. You must compensate mechanically. For 2026 rims, run 32mm tires and drop pressure by 15%. This increases the contact patch surface area, interlocking with cold, damp tarmac better than any skinny winter-specific tire. Visibility is about biology, not just lumens. Research on biological motion proves drivers recognize cyclists 3 times faster when reflective elements are placed on moving joints. A 100 lumen light is fine, but reflective bands on your ankles and knees are statistically more effective at preventing collisions than a bright static vest.
Road salt acts as a grinding paste, wearing drivetrains 5 times faster in winter. Switch to a heavy wet loop immediately. However, if you run a 12 or 13-speed electronic group set, a dedicated set of full-length fenders is mandatory. It's not about keeping your back dry, it's about saving a $400 cassette from premature erosion.
Finally, the financial decision framework. If your winter rides are consistently under 90 minutes, a direct drive smart trainer offers better physiological ROI than a $500 winter kit. Only invest in deep winter gear if you commit to 3+ hour endurance rides where indoor training becomes mentally unsustainable.
Optimize your thermal dynamics. Don't just add random layers.